The Supreme Court has stayed the Lokpal's ruling that it can hear complaints against High Court judges under the Lokpal and Lokayuktas Act 2013. A special bench of Justices B.R. Gavai, Suryakant and Abhay S. Oka called it a matter of great importance concerning judicial independence and termed the development very disturbing. The Supreme Court also restrained the complainant from revealing the judge's identity and issued notices to the Lokpal Registrar and the Centre. The next hearing is now going to be on the 18th of March, and the Solicitor General Tushar Mehta and Senior Advocate Kapil Sibal have opposed the Lokpal's ruling. Mehta argued that HC judges do not fall within the Lokpal's jurisdiction. Sibal warned that the ruling was fraught with danger and urged the court to set a clear legal precedent. We're crossing over to my colleague Harish to bring us more on this. Harish, what we've also just told our viewers about is the critique that's coming in from other advocates. So how is the legal fraternity looking at this ruling?
Yes, in fact, a very significant issue pertaining to the limits of the Lokpal's power. Yeah, last night, this special bench of the Supreme Court of Justices B.R. Gavai, Abhay S. Oak and Suryakant had taken so much of cognizance of the Lokpal taking cognizance of a complaint against a High Court judge saying that he had the powers to do so under the Lokpal and Lokayukta Act 2013, and he had initiated proceedings against a particular High Court judge in this connection. The Supreme Court has intervened and stayed such an order and has issued notice to the Union of India and the Registrar of Lokpal seeking the response by March 18. That is the next date of hearing. At the outset, both Kapil Sibal, who also happens to be the Supreme Court Bar Association President, and Solicitor General of India, who represents the centre, in fact, supported the view of the Supreme Court that Lokpal prima facie did not have the power to hear complaints against the High Court judges. Solicitor General Tushar Mehta clearly saying that as per the provisions of Constitution and several judgments of High Court, Supreme Court and High Court, the Lokpal did not have power to hear complaints against High Court judges. And Kapil Sibal even went on to say that it's a fraught with danger and the Supreme Court must stay. Yes, and the Supreme Court bench said that this issue is very important and deals directly with the